Hi everyone, we're going to solve for x, and these are exponential equations. The main thing you need to know is that the bases need to be the same before you solve. So in case these bases are the same but the rest aren't. So when we get to this one, the bases are the same, and we want the left side to look like the right side. So basically we're just going to take our powers and set them equal to each other. So we're going to add 1 to both sides. So you get 2x equals 8. Divide both sides by 2, and you get x equals 4. Now you can plug it in and check. You get 5 to the 2 times 4 minus 1 power equals 5 to the 7. Well, this is 8 minus 1, so that's 5 to the 7th equals 5 to the 7th. So we already had our 5s matching, but we just had to have our exponents matching. All right, so the next one, the bases are not the same. So I'm going to make my bases the same. And remember, it always goes small. So I know 9 is 3 squared. And you have the square there, and you multiply that by whatever's already in the power. Now that my bases are the same, all I have to do is solve for x. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute. Add the 6 to both sides. So 4 plus 6 is 10. And divide both sides by 2, or you could do this in your head. 2 times 5 is 10, and that's your solution. If you wanted to check it out, you can. Again, this one, the bases aren't the same, so go small. The smallest you can go is 3, and I can write 27 as 3 cubed, and multiply that by whatever's there. Now my bases are the same, so set your powers equal to each other. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So you get negative 1 equals x. All right, and the last one. My bases aren't the same, so I'm going to make them the same bases. Go as small as you can. This is 8 is 2 cubed. Multiply that with x. 16 is 2 to the 4th. And you're going to do x plus 6. Now that my bases are the same, we just solve for x now. So this is 4x plus 24. You can go ahead and subtract the 4x from both sides. So you have negative x equals 24. And we'll just go ahead and negate this whole thing. Multiply everything through by negative 1. So that's going to be x equals negative 24. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.